So I made a mistake here and I need to get this overlock seam out. So there's one really easy technique that I learned. Here you just cut these just in one place, somewhere maybe even longer. Right now I have this little seam left, so I will just cut it here and pull out. So here, one stitch is out, second one, that one came out easily, and here as well. Now these other two are left just like this, and no need to cut them, and just pull them off. And here you go.